You're seeking treasure in a sense. You're finding stocks that aren't that well known or where the information is not that well understood or interpreted properly, and therein lies some great opportunity.
Rainier Investment Management is located in Seattle. We are a privately owned company owned by its 12 shareholders. All of the shareholders have to be employees of the firm.
The key thing about our culture is, first and foremost, that we are partners. The fact that we're owners, we all have skin in the game.
We often say we like to eat what we cook, and that means none of us can invest in individual securities. We can only invest in mutual funds. We don't want to focus on anything that is not what's best for our clients.
Some of the really big gains in the market typically come from small cap stocks, and to me that's the most exciting part of the market.
We want to be good research analysts looking for companies that have the best growth, understanding that growth and what's going to drive the future growth of that company.
First and foremost, is it a company that is gaining strength in the area that is focusing in? Is it properly managed? Is it building the space in which it's participating? Is it a leader in the space it is? Is the area that it's participating in a growing area to begin with?
We have the ability to go in and do deep research and analyze the fundamentals of these companies and review their growth profiles. But a lot of these companies are not covered by Wall Street research or research in general. So therein lies the challenge and the opportunity.
Secondarily, we want to buy the stock at a price that doesn't reflect that opportunity.
We invest in growth companies at prices that make sense.
You know, approaching risk in small mid-cap portfolios is different than in large cap portfolios. You know, large cap portfolios are characterized by significant active shares. You have stocks that are 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5% of a given index.
For our small and mid-cap funds, we generally have parameters that are set up so that we don't exceed certain capitalization limits.
We typically won't buy a stock that's more than 3% of the portfolio. We like to spread out our risk, which is more important in small and mid-cap portfolios. It really is more important to have diversity.
The small mid-cap team consists of 4 individual portfolio managers as well as Jim Margard, who is the strategy lead.
I'm accountable and principally responsible for the execution of the small mid-cap and the mid-cap portfolios.
The 5 of us are responsible for identifying, researching, collaborating on all small and mid-cap stocks that are potential candidates for those 2 portfolios.
There are a lot of things going on hour by hour, minute by minute, and it's very important for us to be within speaking distance of each other.
If you were to come into Rainier's office, we all sit in one room.
Everybody within about 30 feet of each other, close enough to interact very tightly, but just enough room for a little quiet for some deep research.
It's a process that's very serious, but also very fun because we feed off of each other, and each and every one of us has the individual passion for coming into work every day and looking for the best growth companies that we can find to put in the portfolio.